Welcome back to another video, guys, at Provana Manchester. This week we are going to do something slightly different. Rather than focus on one car that we're doing, whether it be a full wrap or PPF, we're going to show you what a week at PVM is like. Usually we'll do a couple cars a week, i.e. full cars, wraps, PPF, blah de blah, 2 or 3 of them, and then we'll work on several other cars throughout the week, whether that be window tints, signage, Dechrome. So to kick things off, as you can see behind me, we've got a Bmw M3, which is an F80 version. Ben's giving it a wash, and that's going to be having stealth PPF. So throughout the week we'll show you little snippets of that, and then we'll also show you the other cars we've got inside that we're working on this week and throughout the week what we're doing. We chose a pretty good week for it because we've got some really nice cars in. There's a couple of cars from last week that are waiting for collection, which I'll show you that we've been working on, that are pretty much done now. And we've also got some really nice cars in this week. We've got an Onyx Bentley, and we've also got a Rolls-Royce Cullen, among a few other things, and also some signage. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you can, give us a share and also subscribe to the channel. So I'm here with Tom. We are wrapping, well, I say wrapping, we're fitting some signage to, we've got a Kia Sportage over here and a Qashqai over here. You crack on, mate, don't worry about me. Yeah, you crack on, mate. We're fitting some signage for Manchester Storm ice hockey team. We actually sponsor them, guys, so make sure you get down there and you'll see our signage around their rink. So yeah, we've got these in today, and then we're doing another 2 more for on Wednesday, just having some signage fitted, their logos, social media platforms and whatnot. So whilst Tom's just fitting the bonnet there, just so you guys know, when we do all the signage and stuff, we have proofs made. So as you can see, this is showing the design of what the car's going to look like. Before it's all done, the customer obviously confirms it. If you want to add things, change things, anything like that, we can make the adjustments so you know exactly what you get in, whether it's for a van or just a car like this. It just makes it dead easy for you guys, and then of course we've got a crystal clear picture of what you want, and we can obviously get it printed and put it on the car for you. As you can see, it's only subtle, and it makes a massive difference. I'm just going to show you the Sportage now as well, which is silver, and again it just stands out really nicely. It's great advertisement for the company. Right, so one of the smaller, well, I say smaller jobs, one of the other jobs we've got in this week is a Dechrome on a Rolls-Royce Cullen. I say smaller job because it is a Dechrome and it's not a full wrap, although it is a lot of chrome. As you can see, guys, off the videos, it is an absolute bus. The car is massive. There's a lot of chrome. You've got the window surrounds, handles, trims around the bottom of the doors, diffuser. The grille itself is massive, so we're going to be doing that in a high gloss black, so it'll be a bit more of a stealth look. The wheels are going to be staying as they are, which is gloss black diamond cut, which personally I do like. It just breaks up the car nicely, and it won't murder it out completely. It'll keep it as a nice classy look. So I'll show you more as obviously the Dechrome gets done and we start obviously building up the car and it starts coming together. So whilst Ben's outside prepping the M3 and getting that all nice and clean ready for the PPF, Brad is upstairs. He's been cutting out all the film, the template for the M3, obviously, so it's all pre-cut and we don't need to cut anything on the car. Obviously once Ben's done his thing, it's going to come inside. We'll carry on cleaning it even further, making it absolutely spotless, and then we're going to be cracking on and applying the film.
Hey guys, Scott Simmons here. Just wanted to say thanks to Pro Vinyl for putting these good spreads on our car. They're looking great, and I'm here with Dally.
Yeah, we just got our cars back, and it's going to be exciting. Now it's an easy way to find out how to come down to our games on the weekends, and we're looking forward to seeing everyone down there.
Thanks very much, guys, we appreciate it. We'll see you soon. So guys, the Qashqai and the Sportage is done for Manchester Storm. As you can see there, the guys are really happy with it. They look great. So that's them 2 done, and they're going to be bringing another 2 down on Wednesday. Running alongside the matte PPF on the M3 and the Cullen and Dechrome this week, we've got this Onyx Bentley Continental GT in. The body kit on this thing is ridiculous, so it's going to be a bit of a tricky wrap, but nothing we can't handle. This is going to be done in satin black. So that's Monday over. We've made some really good progress on the Cullen and also the Bentley stripped down. One of the cars that is still with us from last week that's complete and waiting for collection is a Ferrari 488, which we have done PPF on for Dawood at Eurospec. I'll just show you it now. It looks absolutely awesome. The car has had a gloss PPF, which Visually it looks very similar to how it was prior to obviously being done. The PPF is obviously a clear gloss film and it stops obviously stone chips, scratches and whatnot. It also self-heals, so if you do scratch it or get a chip, it will heal itself over time. As I say, that was done last week and now it's complete and ready for collection. Brad's just fitting the satin PPF to the M3 driver's side door. As you can see, the matte finish next to the gloss, as much as it's keeping the same paint colour, it's a massive difference. It looks awesome. I'm a massive fan of the matte PPF. Obviously, it looks like a wrap, but you've got the protection of the actual PPF film. As mentioned, guys, whilst we're working on the full wraps and the PPFs, we also have some smaller jobs throughout the week. So we've just completed the window tints on this Mercedes A-Class. It's had a factory 20% window tint on the back half of the car, as if it's the same sort of percentage as if the car was ordered with window tints. It's the closest percentage to that. It makes a massive difference, gives you obviously the privacy, and it looks really good as well. Many of you do know already about the PVM balloting side of the business, which is, as I say, mobile valeting. We've got a van which obviously is fully equipped out, so we can come to your work or your house or wherever. Obviously valet your car, whether it's a quick exterior wash or a full deep clean, so your car's like brand new again. Ben is currently working on the Audi behind us, the Q5. He's having a deep clean done on it. I'll show you now what obviously he's doing. He's currently steam cleaning the inside. So as you know, guys, if you've watched the previous video of my car, I was a bit concerned about the exhaust tips. So in here in the box, we have just had a little delivery of, there we go. As you can see, a much better shape, which are going to fit in the diffuser really well. So buzzing, I think we want to keep them chrome. Gas to get them on. So it's Wednesday morning and we've got an Aston Martin Vantage S in. The car's actually one of the members of Supercar Society. Currently upstairs with Brad, and we're cutting out some stripes which we're doing on it. Going to be doing like 2 dual stripes with a wasabi green gloss and also a matte black. So we're going to get them cut now, and then you'll see them going on the car, which they're going to run from the front all the way to the back, bonnet, roof and boot. They should look really good because the car's fully blacked out and the green's going to match the calipers really nicely. So that's the Aston Martin Vantage S stripes complete. Roger's just picked it up now and he's done for the day. So guys, it is Friday morning. We didn't really get any filming done yesterday because we were just getting on with the cars. Cullen's almost complete, just got a few more things to build back up. The Bentley's coming along really well. As you can see, the guys are cracking on and almost there. Just need to get the doors back on, finish a few little bits. We've got one wing to do, and then we just need to wrap the doors. So yeah, it's coming along really well. They're going to be 99% of the finished after today, and some of them are going to get picked up today and some of them are going to get picked up tomorrow. And just to go back to the Cullen, guys, as you can see, the handles are still chrome. The reason for that is you just wanted to match them with the Rolls-Royce badges which are on the front, back and sides, and also the diamond cut wheels. Personally, I like that decision. It keeps it classy, looks really good, and obviously you've still got that little detail to match obviously the wheels and the badges. So yeah, it's coming together really well and looking really good. And I almost forgot the Bmw M3. As you can see, guys, the car is complete. However, you may be thinking, why is the bonnet still gloss and not matte like the rest of the car? Well, the reason for that is the customer decided last minute and he noticed a really bad stone chip on his bonnet. And rather than cancel the booking and delay it, we've done the full car, left the bonnet, and what he's going to do is get that painted, get that fixed, and then bring it back in, and then we can PPF that after. So it's all finished, although the bonnet still needs to be done a bit later down the line when it's had the paint done. So guys, that is the Rolls-Royce Cullen complete, full Dechrome. We've done the front grille, including the Spirit of Ecstasy, the lower canards on the front bumper. We've also done the window surrounds, the lower trims on the door, and some bits on the back as well, including the exhaust tip. As you can see, it looks awesome, and I'm glad he has kept the handles to match the diamond cut wheels. It looks great, it's a nice little combination. I think he may come back and black it all out, but he's going to live with it like that for a little bit and see how he feels. So thank you very much to Tay, the owner of the car. It looks great. Cheers, mate. So guys, the Bentley is complete. The Onyx Continental complete in satin black, including the shuts and returns inside. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope that's sort of giving you an insight as to like how our week goes here. Obviously with the valets, the wraps, the tints, the little details, the Dchromes. Obviously we've had some really nice cars in this week as well. So thank you very much to the customers this week that we've had in. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys.